I am Selvia Maharani. You can call me Selvi. Welcome back to my video. Today I'll do some makeup tutorial for beginner, like a simple makeup. But I think I'm going to make a smudge-proof makeup because our girls' problem in entire world in this pandemic, we must use masks, and our makeup always smudge in our mask, right? Now I'm going to make smudge-proof makeup. You don't need to worry about your makeup more. And I'm going to share to you about my beauty and makeup hacks. So here we go, let's start it. Okay guys, firstly you need to make sure that you already use skin preparations like skincare, lip balm or anything, because like I said before, the skincare or skin preparations is used to protect your face. And I'll use my soft lens first. Okay guys, now I'm done with my soft lens. For the complexion, you need to use this primer. This is to cover my big pores and make our last finish is matte. Next, I'm going to use this for the lightening liquid foundation as my foundations, but in smudge-proof makeup, you just need a little bit. Yes, just a little like this. Now I'm going to use concealer from Pixie to cover my dark spot. Next, use inner blush on with lip cream. Done with my blush on, and I'm going to use a little powder to set this thing. And next, blush on. Make my eyebrow with eyeliner. Guys, next for the mascara, I'll give you some tips to make your eyelashes more thicker and have more volume. First, you need to curl your eyelashes. Okay, after you curl your eyelashes, you need to use spoolie and baby powder. You put the baby powder to the spoolie and do like you use mascara. This is gonna make your eyelashes more thick and more have volume. So next you need to use mascara on the top. Okay, this is my eyelashes after I use mascara. Next, the last step is this. Use lip cream. I'm going to fix my hijab and I'll be right back.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
This is the mask that I used before. There's no stain of my makeup. So far so good. I like it. Okay guys, now I'm going to share to you about the hacks how to remove your makeup, like waterproof makeup or anything. You just need baby oil and Vaseline petroleum jelly. You can choose one of these, or you want to use both, it's okay. Vaseline. Okay, you can take some Vaseline and this. You put on your eye and you rub smoothly. You can use the cotton. Okay. If you want to use baby oil, just put baby oil in cotton and yeah, do the same thing like a Vaseline. This is for the baby oil and this is for the Vaseline. Okay guys, now I already cleaned my face and I'm going to share to you how to scrub your lips if you don't have lip scrub in your home. You just need lip balm and sugar. Apply the lip balm inside your lips and use the sugar to scrub smoothly. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my videos. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye!